Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a nice HP laptop. This is a HP Spectre i7 10 Gen and Iris Plus graphics. Now I can see a sticker here with voltage regulator issue. But on the customer email, the customer is saying we no power, no charging, USB-C only connections. So yeah, definitely this is a dead laptop, right? We have a USB-C here and we have the power button here. Yeah, this is that laptop with unique design with the power button on a corner. And the charging here. Let's plug a charger and see what it's doing. So we have USB-C, plug in the charger and it's doing nothing. Plug in the charger and it's doing nothing. Basically, yeah, it is dead. No, my meter is good. Yeah, definitely my meter is good. Yeah, you see it's coming on. Okay, let's have a look. No screws on the back of the laptop. And yeah, this is a classic motherboard. Both USB-C here. Probably a dead PD controller, huh? But before we are starting, let's speak about today's video sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is your one-stop solution based on the fact that all kinds of PCBs, 3D printing, CNC, sheet metal are available from them. Every new register, they are getting $5 welcome bonus, which is about 10 PCBs. So you will get 10 PCBs for free. All you have to do is to pay for the postage. Now I did check myself the PCB quality. We can clearly see here we are speaking about a top-notch PCB manufacturer. Now don't forget you can check the link on the description and you can place your first order. Now let's go back to our repair. Let's try to take the stickers out. Let's see, like main power rail and stuff here. What do we have? So here you have a BIOS chip, here you have another BIOS chip. Anyway, memory chips. Here is sign of heat, you can see. So someone worked here. Otherwise, why this? It will be melted. Oh, 1 second. So someone replaced the chip. Yeah, it's making sense. Check here, TPS. This is the PD controller. So someone replaced the chip. Yeah, definitely someone replaced the chip. Yeah, what they don't know is actually that chip has to be programmed. Yeah, they missed that. So main power rail is this one and it's not shorted. Yeah. The chip looks like poorly soldered. Here, you can see not much solder. The ports are soldered properly. No, no way. I mean, okay, that pin is broken. This one is broken. Yeah, here the pins are good. This one is broken. This one is broken. Or the track is just moving. You think the track is just moving? I mean, we can check. So this one, it is soldered. This track is working. Okay, the tracks are good. This track is good. This one is good. This one is good. Okay, the tracks are good, but they are just moving. But yeah, the pins are soldered on place. Okay, you know what? Let me check if I have this chip. This is the TPS 655988DJ. And that DJ is very important. But it is possible I have one. I have DH. And I have DJ. Check that. Huh? DJ. Let's try this one. I definitely understand you replace the chip without taking the board out. That's making sense, you know, trying to be more efficient. But why you are not taking out this plastic? You know, because the card is metal. Good, let's take the chip out. Let me raise the temperature 480 degrees. Come on. Come on, I can't believe. Okay, my tweezer sucks. And the chip is out. Yeah. Good. Okay, so we have a brand new TPS chip here. Yeah, okay, let me clean it. Some dust on the chip sitting on a shelf probably. Perfect. So I'm gonna solder the chip, but first I'm gonna dip the chip into the rosin, yeah? Heat up the chip a little bit, then dip the chip into the rosin, perfect. And now we can solder the chip. It's getting soldered. Perfect, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is soldered. Good. Cooling down the chip. Plug in the charger. And nothing happened. Oh, this is dead. Dead. Let me try from the other side. Dead. Yeah, nothing. Okay, why the chip is dead? This one is fine, it's not short there. This one is short. So pin number 4, check that, 3.8 ohms. So the BIOS chip is shorted. Why the BIOS chip is shorted? Because the AC chip is shorted? No, 1 second, no, this is not the BIOS chip. No. This is the PD controller memory. This is the BIOS chip. Yeah. It sucks, right? Yeah. It does. Let me grab the thermal camera. What is taking 3.8 amps? What has 3.8 ohms? We're gonna find together now. So I'm gonna switch the power supply to 1.8 volts. And we need a ground, and plus on the pin number 8 of that memory chip. And it's taking 460 milliamps, you can see. What is getting hot? My chip, my brand new chip. Oh lol. So my brand new chip has the one internal regulator shorted. That sucks. This was a brand new chip. Mm. You can't trust anymore the things from the box. Yeah, let's take the chip out. And the chip is out. I mean, how'd that happen? It was soldered. I mean, it was shorted. Good. Let's check for another chip on our box. Let's try to find another brand new chip. TPS. DJ. Check here. Check here. Brand new. You see, it's with it's ending on DJ. You can see that? Probably not, huh? Yeah. So we do have another brand new chip here. Saying chip DJ. Yeah, little bit of dust, but we can clean it. Cleaning the pads. Good. I mean, it's looking good, right? Has some hair, but that's fine. Perfect, brand new. You can see, brand new. Okay, let's solder the chip. Chip position like that. Good. I'm gonna dip the chip into the rosin. Perfect. Good. Let me focus because I can't properly see. Can we trust the box anymore? Okay, the chip is moving. Yeah, I'm assuming it is solder. Perfect. Yeah. Good. Yeah, it is solder. Let's cool down the chip. Let's plug a charger. The meter is coming on. Ah, my box. Ah, 5 volts, 200 milliamps. Wait a second, I don't like that. Nah, this port is dead probably. Yeah, Wi-Fi volts. Plug in the Wi-Fi volts and why 200 milliamps? Huh? 200 milliamps. Okay, let's check the voltage on the PD controller memory. Yeah, the one which had before like 4 ohms. Let's check the voltage there. So the voltage there is 2.4 volts. I mean, what is that 2.4? It's 3.3 or 1.8? Can't be like 2.4. I think actually something else is taking that 200 milliamps, like EC chip connected to exactly this power rail. Can be. Let's see with the thermal camera. Plug in the charger, and it's taking like 200 milliamps. And the chip is getting hot. That's crazy. Yeah. Okay, the box cannot be trusted anymore. That sucks. Can we find another one? Okay, we don't have another chip. Let me try something, yeah? So I'm gonna remove this chip and the COMWI 3.3 on the BIOS chip. Okay, so coming with 3.3. Good. On this chip here. And it's taking no current. No, the TPS chip is dead. No, it's taking no current. No, it's not sure there. So what we are doing? This is a private customer. This is, if it's for a computer business, it's not worth because I'm charging like 50%. And this chip has to be replaced from another motherboard as this has to be pre-programmed. So yeah. So basically replacing the chip means you take the chip from another motherboard. Yeah. Can you program the chip? Yeah. Mike from our Discord made a tutorial on YouTube how to program that chip. So check what I found here. Huh? What do you think? We are good or not? Yeah, let's take the chip out. And the chip is out. Now soldering the chip here. Hmm? And the chip is soldered on place. Yeah, it is. Good. Perfect. Let's see. I have good boards or... The battery is not connected. If you're looking there, it's disconnected. So we have the charger, the meter. Plug in the charger and the meter is coming on. Check that. 19 volts. Ha! Okay, so this port. Nah, this port must be faulty, you know. How? Because now the PD controller it is working. Let's plug the charger. Actually, let's plug the battery. So the battery is plugged in. Meter is coming on. Check there, 100 milliamps I seen, 200, huh? It's going up. Probably the battery is very low. Let's try to power on the laptop. Pressing the power button, which is on this corner, and it's taking 1 amp. Check that, 1 amp, 1 amp, huh? 1 amp, and let's wait for the picture. No picture? Why no picture? 3 amps. Oh lol, check that, 3 amps. But why is no picture? The fans are spinning. The screen, it is plugged in. The RAM is onboard RAM. Do you think we have to wait a little bit? We have picture! That's crazy, huh? What do you think? Enter reboot the system. And the laptop is taking like 3.2 amps. Huh? A lot of current. Yeah. And it's coming on and loading the Windows. Working fine. We have the charging sign, everything is fine. I mean, it's doing updates from like a half an hour. That's insane. I mean, not sure what it's updating. Probably some major Windows update, or probably the customer never updated this laptop. But I swear it was like half an hour, and still it's not over. I'm gonna edit the video anyway. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. I have to speak with the customer about the other port. But anyway, it's fixed. Now, one thing I can be wrong. Actually, this chip, it is possible to work, possible, even if it's not programmed. So I can be wrong. But anyway, just leave me a comment on the. Just leave me a comment and let me know if you know more about this chip. I remember I had jobs before using same chip, and actually I do have a video about this chip, and was working with a brand new one, so I'm not sure about. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.